Alright, so here's the fairing and the fender I was working on before. So I already painted. Yeah, that's a lot of painting. Okay, so that's how it looks. All right. So maybe I'm gonna put another one here like that. I'm not done with the fender yet. I'm just still adding additional details on it. I think it looks too plain for me. All right, so I'm gonna paint this one more time. Okay, so here it is. So that's the details that I added on. We're just gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna click coat it maybe tomorrow. All right, so now all my painting is done, so it's ready to install it to on the bike. It's really tough to put it. I think I made the hole a little bit too small, so I'm having a hard time. So this is the hardest part. All right, so right now we just tighten the fender bolt. All right, so it's all good. It's touching the ground. Everything nice and clear. It doesn't stay up because the bike is kind of angled. So that's how it looks. The side view is not bad. It's starting to look better. Okay, so that's the fender that we made. So I just add up a little bit details here. You can see a little bit. Yeah, it's really hard to do your own painting. It's take a while. See, as you can see, slightly compared from that one there, but so far so good. You won't really notice that. Nobody will come up and say, "Hey, what's the difference? What's going on?" You know. How you look at it is like you have to look at it from far, like that.